basis, I am given just 41,000. Honestly speaking, the situation is not palatable any longer. It is not palatable any longer. I know many times we have pleaded with the Inspector General of Police and the head of the presidents of this nation, pleading with them that they should exit us. Unfortunately, they paid to us a deaf ear. And one thing I want us to know is this: these DIGs, AIGs, and IGs, they have exonerated themselves. They are no more. They are not contributing. On retirement, they are receiving full salary. Then leaving behind. Not that I am old, but what I'm saying is that I retired 2018. I was paid 1.7 million naira. I stayed for good 5 years. Yes, I spent before that money was given to me. I spent 13 good months on ground. I started borrowing money on interest basis to eat before I was given that peanuts. And at the end, I am given just 40,000 naira every month. Just recently, they added 4,000 or 6,000 as it gets me, or 10,000. Just last week, because of this matter. So all what we want to exit from contributory pension scheme to where the DIGs and IGs are and AIGs are. We are equal human beings. We are serving this nation. We are pleading. If there is anything that we have done wrong as a result of our duty, make the president forgive. I am DSP Godwin Tom.
What are your counterparts in the sister agencies?
First,
tell us why are you here?
Yes, we are here for a very peaceful demonstration, peaceful protest as regards the evils the nation, the police have meted on us, as regards also our gratuities and pensions. The meager thing that was given to me after 35 good years was from my own contribution, what I contributed. Nigeria has not given me kobo. My own money that I contributed. I was given 1.7 million naira after 35 good years. That is from my own contribution. And then afterwards, monthly basis, I am given just 41,000 naira. It is just last week that was about 5,000 or 6,000 naira was given to me, was added. After 8 years of retirement, that was just the first increase. Please, I am pleading Nigerians to rise up and come to our help. I know our president is very lovely, is very amiable, is considerate kind of person. He doesn't want any cheating, and I want to believe that he will do something for us to exonerate us from the contributory pension scheme. I want to let us know that all the AIGs, Assistant Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, and all the Inspector General of Police serving and retired, they have exonerated themselves from this contributory pension scheme. They are taking full payment. They are taking full payment, leaving behind Commissioner of Police to the least rank to suffer on this very mess. I want to say it's a mess. You can imagine, look at the level how we are. If not God, that some of us are still energetic. You can see some of us are maimed as a result of the duties that we undertook to serve the nation and to defend democracy. Without the police, no democracy in Nigeria. Without the police, no senator. Without the police, I don't want to believe that. I believe that nothing else, can work well in Nigeria as a whole. And I'm pleading the Inspector General of Police and others. They should not pay us with a bad coin. They should not pay us or reward us with evil. We have tried our best to serve them. When they pass out from police college or from Polak, as the case may be, we were the one that taught them practical police duties in the counter level. We showed them what is called routine diaries, how to write, how to do one thing or the other. Are you hearing me? None of them have even tasted what is called beats. But we are the one that had gone to beat on one form or the other, and yet they are paying us. We shine their shoes, we wash their clothes and iron it. We were their orderlies, as many of us. We were their orderlies. We served them well. Then why must they reward us with evil? repaying evil with good. It's a pity. Are they wicked? I want to believe they are not. I want to believe they are not. They should not tell the world that they are wicked. They should not tell the world that they are inhuman. They are human. I am DSP Godwin Egbetokun.